Hey everyone, welcome to Tutort Academy. So my name is Chirag Vaishnav, and as we are going to start solving the problem related to trees, right? So one thing that you should know that while doing trees is that what is the traversal that we will be using? What will be the traversal that we will be using, right? So there are two types of traversals, right? So one is the recursion that we will be discussing today, and one is level order, right? So level order traversal we will be discussing later, that how we can do questions based on level order traversal. So for now let's see what we will be doing in recursion, right? So in trees, let me just write it in a better writing. In trees, and the way we are having is recursion. Let me just write it better. In trees, while we are having recursion, in the recursion also we are having three kinds of traversals. First is preorder, second is inorder, and the third that we are having is postorder, right? So three terms are being used: pre, in, and post, right? So these are with respect to node, with respect to the root node that we are having, right? With respect to the node that we are currently in, right? So what does preorder means? Because while having trees, we are having basically use for BTs, that is binary tree that we are talking about, obviously. Yes. So in the binary tree you cannot have more than two children. Either you can have no children, either you can have one children, either on left or right, or you can have two at max, both L and R, right? Left and right. So these are the possibilities. So what is the maximum possibility that we took care of? That is left and right, right? So at each step you will be in access to three nodes. Literally N, that is the node itself. One is L, that is left root, and one is R, that is right root, right? So in that case what you will be doing is you will be having access to three possibilities. So in that what we will be doing is we will be checking how we can traverse this. So preorder simply means that first I will check the root, then left, then right. In order simply means that first I will check left, then I will check root, then I will check right. First I will check root. For the case of root, let's say N, then right. And post order means first I will check left, then I will check right, then I will check the node. So what basically this is and how the traversal is being. So let's head over to GFG article so that you can get a better idea about it. So these are the traversals. So in order, that as I said, that left, root, and then right. Preorder, that will be root, left, and right, and post order will be left, right, and root, right? So let's take this image only, and with the help of this we'll be getting point that how we can implement this, right? So for the, let's say first we are doing with preorder. So for preorder, how it works, it will be node, left, and then right? So let's say I got to this, so obviously we'll be starting with one only. So first I use node. So what I will do, I will print it. I have processed the node. Now let's move to left. So I'm here right now. So what I will do, I will process the node, then I will moving to be next. So I'm here right now, then I will be processing the node, then there is no node further. So what we will be doing is we will backtrack. We have processed the node and processed the left. We have processed the node, we have processed the left. Now let's move to right, because what it is, node, left, right. So we'll move right. 5. So we are here right now, we have processed 5. So now what I will do, I will go back to here. So for this node we have processed the node, left and right, so we'll be moving back up here. So for this node we have processed node and left, so we'll move right. So in the case of right, I'm here, I will process this node, and that this will be my answer. So you might have seen that what we have done for each node, first we have processed the node, then we have processed the left, and then we have processed the right. So this was the pre-order traversal. Now let's look at in-order traversal. So in order, what we will be doing, first we will be left, node, and then right. So I'm here. So first I will be moving to left. So left exists, I will be moving here. So I'm here right now, left exists, I will be moving here. I will be moving here, left. Okay. So left does not exist, right? So what now I will do? Now I will process the node. Okay. 4 I have processed. After that, after processing this, I will go back to this, right? So I will go back to this. Okay. So now I will process the node. Why? Because I have processed the left. Now it's time to process the node. So I will process the node. Okay. 2 is being processed. Now I will go to right. So in the case of right, left does not exist. So then I will process the node. Okay. 5 I have processed, and right does not exist. So I will get backtrack to it. So now for this node 2, we have processed left, we have processed the node, and we have processed right. You can see 4, 2 and 5. So we have processed in this way, 4, 2 and 5. After this, we have processed this. Now we will be getting back to there. So we have processed the left. Now it's time to process the node. So I have processed 1. Now let's get to right. So 3, we have processed 3. Now the left does not exist, right does not exist. So we'll get back to here and we'll get back to 3. So in this case, you can see 4 to 5 we have processed. Then 2, 1, 3 we have then 2, 1, 3 we have processed. Then 4 to 5 and then 1, 3 we have processed. So this is first what we did. We went to the left part, we processed that, then we processed the node, and then we processed to the right part. So this is how in-order traversal works. Now let's move to the third, that is post-order traversal. The post-order traversal is left, right, and then node. Right. So this is how it works. So now what you have to do, suppose obviously we will be starting from the node. As I have said it for the third time, we will be starting from the node only. In that, what we will be doing is, first let's process node, right? So I went to here. Then let's process node left, I went to here. So now it's null, left and right does not exist. So what we will be doing, we will be processing, okay, 4 we have processed. After that, what we will be doing is, okay, left, right and node. Then after that, what we will be doing is, we will be going back to here, and okay, we have processed the left for this node. Now let's process the right for this node. So in the right we have 5, and left, right does not exist for 5, so it will be like we processed 5. Now for this node, we have processed the left, we have processed the right. Now let's process the node, because according to the post order, first you have to process left, then right, then node. So I processed 2. So all the things are being processed. Now let's get back to here. So for the fun one, left part is being processed. Now let's move to the right part. So 3, left and right does not exist. So what we did, we processed 3, and at the end for the 1, left is processed, right is processed, though we will process the root node, that is 1. So 4, 5, 2, 3, 1. This is the order traversal for post order. So this is how it is going to work. So I hope you might have got the idea that how we have to do the traversal. So in the pre-order, it is like node, left, right. In order, it's like left, node, right, and in post order, it's like left, right, and node. So this is basically the according to the position of node only, that when we will process the node and when we will process the data, right? So this is the basic part. So let's head over to Geeksforgeeks so to see that what the guys have done, right? So the same thing is being written, that for in order, traverse the left, visit the root, and traverse the right. For pre-order, visit the root, traverse left, traverse right, and for post order, visit left, traverse right, and then visit the node. So this is the basic question, and this is a basic code for this. As you can see, in the case of pre-order, first we have visited the node, then left, then right. And in the case like in order, what we have done, we have first visited left, then node, then right. And in the case of post order, first left, then right, and then node. So this is the basic thing that I've tried to explain you. So I hope you got the solution right. So if you're having any doubt, do ask in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. If you're having anything to ask, you can ask in the comment section about Tutort Academy and a lot more things. So if you like this video, do give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.